But it's punch, so it's going to serve like 12.
Okay.
So don't worry. And then if you
connect to your Wi-Fi network.
Hey guys, welcome to a very special edition of Real Simple Cooking School. I'm your teacher, Dawn, and with me today is very special guest and Real Simple friend, Dana Isom Johnson, trend expert from Etsy.
Yeah, I'm so excited to be here.
The coolest sounding job, the coolest lady.
Thank you, Dawn.
So today we're going to do two things. We're going to make 3 really easy one-bottle punches. That means each punch uses a whole bottle of booze. But
Just for us, Dawn.
Just for us.
Ooh.
No, for like 12 to 16 people. So it'll serve a crowd. And then Dana, you're going to show us how to like dress them up for parties and the holiday season.
Oh yeah, I'm going to talk to you all about the newest holiday trends and how you can incorporate them into your parties.
Awesome. This first one we're making is a pomegranate lime tequila punch.
Tequila, my favorite.
We're
Okay.
just going to mix everything right in this bowl.
Whole bottle, right?
Whole bottle.
Okay.
Now, you can go ahead and mix right in your punch bowl, but Dana, you're gonna give us some tips about a pretty way to present this.
Totally. So, you know, people come to Etsy because they want something special,
Right.
because they want something that's going to be totally stand out and not something that you find everywhere else, right?
One of a kind.
One of a kind. And so one of the trends that I'm really loving is all about a twist on tradition. So as you're stirring that up, I want to call to your attention these beautiful glasses here. Now, if you
So
can
pretty.
see, there's like a sweater kind of theme on there.
I don't know if you guys can see this. There's like little reindeer and Christmas trees and snowflakes. They're very beautiful. They're perfect for the holidays.
Yeah, it totally looks like a holiday
Yeah.
sweater. So you've got this beautiful printed glassware.
Yeah.
Then personalize it with the sugar rim. So I've already pre-sugar rimmed these glasses, but you can use any glass that
Yeah.
you want. I'm just going to use your lime here. You line the rim with your lime, and then you just pop the sugar into a wider dish and just kind of roll it around. And then you have a beautiful, it almost looks like snow as well.
It's so pretty and it's so easy. It's like the same technique when you would salt
Yes.
a margarita glass.
The other thing that I'm calling to the attention is that these wonderful felt coasters here,
I feel this.
isn't it great? It's just
They're
felt.
so cute. Yeah.
They could be used as table decor,
Yeah.
like throughout the tables, lots of different ways. So think outside tradition.
So in here we've got tequila.
Yeah.
We've got some pomegranate juice, lime juice, and simple syrup. All that is a simple mixture of sugar and water that you boil until the sugar dissolves.
Yum, yum, and yum.
So that all went in here together. And now we'll talk a little bit about garnishing. So when you garnish food or drink, I always like to use ingredients that are already in the dish.
Oh, that's great.
So we've got lime juice, so I thought we could garnish with some sliced limes.
Love.
And another great use, your lime's already cut. You could rim the glasses and then slice those. So Dana, if you want to pop those. Do you know how to open a pomegranate?
Confession, I always buy them pre-pitted so I don't have to do the work.
So I'm going to show you how to do it.
Okay.
And I'll give you a half and me a half. So you just want to cut right around, not the equator, but
Almost like
the,
an avocado.
Exactly.
Ah.
But you just need to score the skin.
Yep.
And then you just pull it apart. Let's see if I can do this without getting juice everywhere. I mean, is that gorgeous?
Oh, gosh, I love it. So pretty.
And this is actually, I mean, how would you feel about this on the tablescape?
Love it.
Okay, great.
Love it. I think it's beautiful.
I'm hired. So, Dana, if you want to just kind of peel back the pomegranate and
out of this, or do I need to quarter it
you
like
can
you
do
did?
this one.
Oh, okay.
It's just a little bit easier.
Okay, got it.
Also a good job for kids if they're helping you
Oh,
prep for
that's
the party. Set them up with an apron
Yeah.
and just let them go to town working over a big bowl.
Yeah.
So, Dana, drop some seeds
Okay.
into each glass.
This is going to be so pretty.
So pretty.
Love it.
And the other great thing about these one bottle punches, if you're serving like a mixed crowd, drinkers and non-drinkers, you can always serve the alcohol on the side, and then people can top off their own drink. So another good tip. Okay, here we go. Can I do this without spilling?
Oh, you sure can. I mean,
With
the
confidence?
other thing, with confidence, the other thing I think, like, everything always doesn't have to be so perfect.
And we'll just use one of these seasonal napkins.
And this is another great thing that I love from Etsy, is that you can get these really great custom napkins to
a
get
great
it in
idea.
whatever color, whatever saying that you like. I mean, that's really the great thing about working with Etsy sellers is that it's a real person. But I think it could use one more thing.
Oh,
speaking of garnishes.
So cute.
So cute, right? This is just a great finishing touch. I also love these because it's a great way when you're hosting 12 or so people.
Yeah.
You can get these in many different, you can get it in a snowflake, you could get it in a star. So it's the modernized version of a wine charm, essentially.
Yes. This feels so festive and holiday ready already. I love it.
I love it.
Okay, so let's take a look at a couple other of these punches and you can show me how to dress it up.
But wait, can we taste that?
Oh yeah, let's do
okay.
it. Okay, quick drink break.
Cheers.
Okay, for our second punch, let me tell you what's in it first, and then you can tell us about where we are.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a sweet and spicy bourbon apple punch. I'm cheating with my cheat sheet here. So in here we have a bottle of bourbon. Because remember, these are whole bottle punches. So 1 bottle of bourbon. We've got some fresh orange juice. We have a little maple syrup cider vinegar to kind of balance everything out. A little cayenne pepper, bring the heat. A dash of Angostura bitters. You know, you guys shake that on the top of some cocktails. And then we're going to top it off with a little sparkling apple cider. So we'll do that once it gets in the glasses.
Yeah.
So, okay, tell me where we are here.
Okay, we're in a rustic farmhouse. The moment you said bourbon, I thought warm, cozy, sitting by a fire. So if you see, we have this incredible tray here that could have been pulled from the coffee table, could be used for your bedside, when you're doing bed and breakfast in bed, perhaps, all that jazz. So then you also have the outdoors coming in, acorns, and repurposing them in a vase. We're reusing craft supplies. So these bristle brushes here are actually craft supplies, but very easy for you to work into the home. I was talking about being by a warm fire.
Yes.
But let's actually light these great tea candles in here. What I love about this from this Etsy seller is that you can interchange the tea candles. So as soon as the tea candles go out, you can just pop a new one in.
And it's also, you also make a great point, like punch doesn't have to be served in a punch bowl.
Right.
So a beautiful pitcher, even a vase, you could repurpose like as a pitcher. So there's so many great ideas.
Yeah.
Okay, so last thing, the way to garnish this one. So I'm just gonna pour us each a taste.
Yeah.
So remember, this is the bourbon apple. I'm gonna leave a little bit of room on top.
Okay.
We're gonna top it with sparkling apple cider. Another really good thing just to keep on hand during the holidays. Again, if you have drinkers or non-drinkers, kiddos or adults, leave it out. Nobody's the wiser. If somebody's pregnant and not telling anyone yet, another good option. So you just top off each punch. And then, again, garnishing with stuff that's in there. So we've got the apple cider. Just sink one of those apple slices in, and it's super pretty.
I love that. How pretty.
Okay, rustic farmhouse bourbon punch.
Are we by a fire sitting cozy?
I feel relaxed already. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, this is our last and final punch. Dana, where are we?
Oh my goodness, we are festive. This is New Year's Eve. We've got gold. I've got velvet on. We are shutting down the party, basically.
We've got sparklers.
We've got sparklers. It's like festive galore. Okay,
I love it.
So all the things that I'm really, really loving. Obviously, when you think holiday time, you think metallics, right? So that is the common theme that we have. It's like a metallic theme party. So I brought the sugar rim back, but this is a great example to see a different colorway shown in the crystal rim. The glassware also has wonderful modern take on kind of a vintage looking glass. Break out your vintage pieces, break out your special metallic pieces. It's a party every day. This is the holiday time. Get festive.
And we should enjoy it.
And we should enjoy it. You're surrounded by family and friends. Like, really enjoy that time. Now, other pieces that I'm really loving. If you can believe it, this is actually, all of these are ornaments.
That's a statement ornament, if I ever saw one.
Right? But we have used this in a different way today, Dawn, as you can see, as table decor.
Very cool.
So not only can you adorn your Christmas tree, you can adorn your bar, your tablescape, however you see fit, but again, think outside those traditional uses of items.
Okay, so to go along with this gorgeous golden theme, we've got a gorgeous golden punch. So this one has kind of a special simple syrup. So this one has sugar, water, your basic simple syrup ingredients, but you simmer it with a little fresh ginger. I'm just going to infuse tons of big flavor in there, and a little bit of ground turmeric. That's where you get this gorgeous yellow kind of marigold color. So you've got your ginger syrup, 1 bottle of vodka, because remember these are one bottle.
That's right.
Our 1 bottle punches, some fresh lemon juice, a little honey for sweetness, and then we're just going to top it off with some club soda.
Yum. Oh!
So just going to use a little...
You don't have to be fancy with everything.
Just a little cup. I'll just make 2. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, so
Gorgeous.
pretty. Can we talk about the fact that the color of this is also so on trend? Have you heard about Gen Z yellow?
I have heard about it. We were just talking about it. I think I need a Gen Z New Year's Eve outfit.
Right? Oh my gosh, you'd be like the sunshine life of the party.
Might be too
I love
much.
it. Let's add that.
Okay,
Look
so
how
pretty.
cute.
So pretty. And I will say, there's sort of nothing more inviting to me than walking into a party and being handed either a glass of bubbles or a beautifully made, thoughtfully made cocktail. So I hope that you make one of these 1 bottle punches.
Oh, I for sure
holiday
am.
season.
I can't wait.
You.
Happy holidays.
Cheers.
Cheers.
More of this on realsimple.com, guys. Happy holidays.
That's dope. Yum. Oh my gosh.